All right, let's take a look at a couple problems here. Hopefully help you with Webassign this week. Maybe we'll take a look at 39 and 45 right now, see if those can be of some assistance. So 39, write the first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence, find the common difference, and also write the nth term. So the first 5 terms, well, they give us the first one, right? The first term is 15. Now, what's the second term? Well, the recursive sequence here is that we add 4 each time. So the second term would be 19. The third term would be 23. The fourth term would be 27. And the fifth term would be 31. So those would be the first 5 terms of the sequence. Now, what's the common difference? What are they going up by each time? They're going up by 4 each time. All right, and then they ask us to write the nth term. So what's the nth term? So we're going to say a sub n equals, all right, a sub n equals. Now this is a sub 1. If you were to go backwards 1, you would have a sub 0, if you will, which would be 11, right? If you back this up by 4. Now when you're writing the sequence out as a sub n, you want to start with a sub 0, okay, which is 11, and then you want to add the common difference, which is 4 times n. It's very similar to when you're in Algebra 1 doing y equals mx plus b, right? The b and the a sub 0 are kind of like the same thing. It's like the 0th term of the y-intercept. The m right here is kind of like your common difference. So that's kind of how you do that. So that's 39. And that's sort of how that whole section will go, 39 through 44. Looks like the numbers will just get a little crazier. They get some decimals and fractions and stuff. All right, let's look at the next section. Question 45. The first 2 terms of the arithmetic sequence are given. They give us a sub 1, a sub 2, and we got to figure out what a sub 10 is. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to have to come up with an expression to help us find the nth term in the sequence. So we're going to say a sub n equals, all right, remember it's going to be a sub 0 plus the common difference times n. So what we're going to say here is a sub 10 equals, what would the 0th term be? Well, it looks like the common difference is 6, right? 5 plus 6 is 11. So if we backed it up 6 less than 5 is negative 1. So a sub 10 would be equal to negative 1 plus 6 times n. So a sub 10 would equal negative 1 plus 6 times, now how many terms are we moving forward? We're going from a sub 1 to a sub 10. We're moving forward 9 terms, right? So a sub 10 is going to equal negative 1 plus 6 times 9 is 54. So a sub 10 is 53.